Hi everyone, so today I'm doing some, going out to dinner makeup, and it is a little bit hurricaning outside right now. I live in Charlotte, it's really windy. This video honestly turned out to be a fail because I decided to film today because we're supposed to lose our power soon, and I'm like, I won't have lights and it's just gonna be a mess. So yeah, this video kind of sucks because my skin is trash. The makeup turned out to be kind of trash. Honestly, my blending is not that good today. It's really dark, it's super windy, everything's just going wrong, and I drank mold today. I will tell the story in the actual video. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I have a little announcement at the end about my next video. So stay tuned and hopefully you guys like this and don't unsubscribe. Yeah, so let's go to the video. Alright, so I basically did everything except for my eyes and lips and stuff like that. I did my skin, but it still doesn't look that good because I have a really light coverage foundation. It's still red right here and there's spots. So yeah, bad foundation choice on my part, but I honestly just don't have one that's full coverage and my color right now, so yeah. Anyway, so for eyes, I'm gonna use this Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I just think it would be good because it's all warm and whatnot. I'm just gonna go in with my Urban Decay primer potion and do that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, I am home because my school is currently being pummeled by a hurricane, and honestly it kind of is here too, so if you hear a lot of wind, it's just a hurricane, no big deal. But yeah, so that's what's going on, and yeah, so I don't really know what's gonna happen with school. My place floods a lot, so this might not go well. I'm just going in with a little powder on top of the primer just so it's not sticky, and also I'm gonna brush this out a little more. It's still a little too light for me. Yeah, so I'm really sorry. Today's not the best skin day, but I'm filming today because they're saying that the power is probably gonna go out within the next, I don't know, day or something. So I'm honestly, I'm just gonna film now because obviously I won't have the battery to do that on a different time, and the lights, and just normal necessities. I'm going in and I'm just gonna do my transition, the basics. I always do this, just make a nice little transition crease. So anyway, how is everyone's day? I have a great story for you if you want to be entertained. So I have bad luck. I know I shouldn't say that, but I genuinely, the stupidest things happened to me, and I was drinking a juice today from a place that makes juice, pressed juices, and it was a shot, ginger shots and stuff like that. It was that, and I was literally, taking the shot because you're not really supposed to sip on it, you kind of just drink it, and I drank the whole thing, and then in the last sip I felt this little particle, and I'm kind of a baby when it comes to textures in my drink or foods. I hate seeds, and in my smoothies they have to be really smooth or I get grossed out. I was don't be a baby, just drink it, and I almost swallowed it, and I looked in the actual container of the shot, and there was this black thing, and I'm oh no. So I spit it out and I looked at it, and there's all these little black flakes. And that's when I realized that I drank mold. So you know how that is, just your normal mold shot. So yeah, that was disgusting, and it reminded me of a time that something even worse happened to me, juice related. So yeah, by the way, that was disgusting. I was trying not to throw up. I'm going in with burnt orange, by the way. A few years ago when I was younger, I was drinking, or I was pouring orange juice into a cup, and I wasn't really paying attention because you just pour it and drink it. So I poured it out, and I was so thirsty that I just drank it really fast. And then when I set it down, I looked in the cup, and there are all these brown things around the cup and whatnot, and I was oh, that's probably just pulp or something. And I looked closer, and it literally this is your worst nightmare. It was spiders. It was literally spiders, like brown baby spiders, like hundreds of them. The whole cup was just like covered in spiders, and like where I drank, there was like a line of like spiders going along the cup. Oh my god, like that was the most traumatizing experience of my life. For a while after that, I never drank orange juice. It took like a good year to drink it again, but oh my god, it was so traumatizing, and it was like a brand new one, so I don't know what happened at the factory, but like if you're having a bad day, at least you did not drink spiders. All right, so now that I've done that, what am I gonna do next? I kind of want to do something like all matte. I don't know why. So I'm gonna go in with sienna, and that's kind of like a reddy brown, and I'm just gonna do that all over the lid because tonight I'm going out to dinner, so I kind of want it to be like a little smoky but nothing crazy. And I don't know, like I'm always doing shimmery colors or like glam eye looks, and I just want to do something different but still warm, obviously, so we can do that. I've just created like that shape, and I'm just gonna do that on the same side. About this hurricane, I don't really know what's gonna happen. I'm currently in Charlotte and I go to school in Columbia, and like it floods there even when it rains. Like normally, like if it rains like a little hard, it'll flood because it's like very hilly. So this is gonna be a very interesting experience. There's that, and now I'm just gonna go in on the bottom and kind of match it. So I think I'm just gonna go back with these colors and just kind of like add that dimension, and then probably smoke it out with something really dark. Oh. 5 hours of blending later. All right, so we've done that, and now I'm just gonna go into, let's do mulberry, yeah. Alright, sorry if you hear like weird noises. My brothers are, you know, doing brother things. Now I'm just gonna go into this one. It's called Mulberry, and I'm just gonna smoke out the lower lash line pretty much and make it like very smoky. Just kind of like placing it and blending that out. Making a little cat eye because, you know, I love doing the cat eye. And then I'm just blending that out again just to kind of make it a little softer. Honestly, what the And then I'm taking the same brush and I'm just gonna do it with the same mulberry color, and I'm gonna put it like on the outer corner and just kind of like put it into the crease like slightly, just so it kind of matches, kind of like that, just like adding that depth. And that gives it kind of like a rounded eye shape, if you can see that. Like right there, just kind of gives like that definition. Then just one more time, blending that out again, just so it's not like a super harsh line. Then I'm gonna go back onto the lid and go with sienna, just cause this gets a little patchy. I don't know if it's because my eyes are hooded and it's just kind of like odd, but I'm just gonna fix that up. So to be honest, I kind of feel like this looks like and you know, it kind of does. I'm gonna keep it real. Like honestly, sometimes when you're like experimenting with like new looks, you don't really know how the eyeshadows are gonna work together, and I feel like that's what's happening here. I don't know, I just feel like it's not doing what I want it to, but I'm really trying to blend this out. My skin is today, it's cloudy, it's hurricaning, like I don't know, but I really wanted to film because I'm like, what if I lose power and I just like want to post once a week because that's like my promise. And honestly, like this could be refreshing because every beauty YouTube video is like perfect, and this one is not. It's just not. So let's just go along with it. So to try to fix this disaster, I think I'm gonna go in with liquid eyeliner. I feel like that just saves the day on everything that you do. So I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and honestly, like not to be shady, I know everyone is like hating on her. I have this eyeliner, it's good, I'm gonna use it, you know? I'm not too like, I don't know, into the whole drama thing. Obviously, I know why people don't really support her that much anymore, but I'm just like, I'm still gonna use this while I have it, you know? So obviously, if you wanna use eyeliner that is by someone else, go for it. Not gonna lie, the wind is like stressing me out. Here's the thing, like, I'm trying to make better content for YouTube, and like, I'm not admitting defeat, but I feel like my thing is almost like making videos that are just real. And I know everyone wants like the high quality and the great light, exciting and like, you know, clear, good instructional makeup tutorials. I don't know. To be honest, I'm in college. I'm broke. I'm not like some big YouTuber, so I'm not getting PR. Like, it's really hard for smaller people to start on YouTube, and I'm not like saying that in a way that's like discouraging, because obviously I'm still making videos and I'm excited about it. I'm not like complaining. Don't take that the wrong way. Like, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying if you're expecting like quality content, you might not get it. But I do try, you know, like I try to be creative, I try to be entertaining, I try to edit well, but I'm sorry if this video just doesn't cut it for you. Anyway, here's the eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna do like my eyelashes and mascara, and I think I'm just gonna like pause the camera and come back because I don't like doing that on camera. It's very difficult, so bye. All right, we are back. I don't really know. Anyway, so here are our eyes, and I also wanted to just do like some highlighter. So I'm just going to take the ColourPop On the Cusp by Kathleen Lights, and I'm just going to go in the inner corners and on the brow bone. That will open up the eyes and not make them so dark, because this entire look is matte, so I just feel like this will really help just to make it a little less dull. And of course, brow bone. Okay, now I'm just going to take some highlight down the nose, and then for blush, I'm just going to use the ColourPop Jellyfish. This is a really good, like bright pink. Not too much, because Mama is already really red, so that's too much. Girly, I said put not too much. Oh my god. For lips, I'm going in with Kylie's Ginger liquid lipstick, and I'm just gonna wear that because obviously I'm gonna be eating, so I don't really want to do anything like too crazy. So we can just do that. And then I'm just gonna go over it with the matte liquid lipstick just in the middle and pat it. Honestly, like patting the liquid lipstick in gives it such a nice texture, makes it so velvety looking. And then last, I'm just gonna go in with some more highlighter. This is the ColourPop On the Cusp again, and I'm just gonna go on my cheeks. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this look today. I don't know if it's because of my skin or maybe because it's hurricaning outside. I don't know. I think that's it. Oh, and setting spray. I always forget this at the end. Using the Glam Glow Setter setting spray, so delish. I don't like spraying too much because my hair gets wet. Anyway, guys, that is the look. This is what I'm gonna be wearing to dinner tonight. Don't ask why I'm going out to dinner when it's like a hurricane outside. I just really wanted fondue. So hopefully, you know, we stay safe. But yeah, no, we'll be fine. It's not gonna get bad till tonight, so cool. Oh yeah, and by the way, my next video is gonna be really fun. It's gonna be the iPhone XS Max unboxing. So I'm really excited to do that. So stay tuned for that one. Make sure you turn on notifications and all that so you can see it when it comes out, because my unboxings are pretty iconic, so you know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I know this video was so hopefully you guys liked it and like me and think that I don't suck that much. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are in the hurricane too, stay safe. All right, bye guys.